Hi everyone, it's Christian here. Today we're going to be taking a look at acid-base reactions. We're going to be doing this through a small experiment involving baking soda and vinegar. So before we jump into it, I'm just going to go over my materials. We have a small catch pan here just to catch any foam or any of the mess that's made. I'm going to be doing the experiment in a bottle. I cut a hole, or I cut the top off just to make sure I can get everything in there nice and easy. And I'm gonna be using a tablespoon for the baking soda. I have some paper towels here. For the acid, we're gonna be using vinegar. This is distilled white vinegar. And for the base, we're gonna be using baking soda. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna just set up the catch pan. So that should be good. All right, now I'm just gonna measure out 1 tablespoon of baking soda. All right, so the baking soda is going to go on a thin sheet of paper towel. All right, so I'm just gonna measure this out real quick. So now that we have our baking soda on the paper towel, I'm just gonna kind of fold it up into a little packet. So I'm not gonna fold it too tight because I do want the baking soda to be able to escape, right? I don't wanna trap it in there because if I do that, then we won't have any reaction. So baking soda, it's in this little packet. I'm just gonna drop it in. All right. Okay. So the next step is going to involve the acid, which is the white vinegar. Okay. So I'm just going to pour as much in until I get a reaction. All right. So here we go. Okay, we're getting a lot of bubbles. Oh, yep. Now it's coming out of the top. Cool. All right, so that was definitely a success as far as the volcano was concerned. So to kind of explain what's going on here from a reaction standpoint, we got a couple things happening. So the first reaction is the acid-base reaction. So the hydrogen ions from the vinegar react with the sodium bicarbonate of the baking soda. So this results in the formation of carbonic acid and sodium acetate. So the second reaction that occurs from this is what's referred to as a decomposition reaction. So this is where the carbonic acid that was formed from the first reaction, so our first acid-base reaction, begins to decompose into water and CO2. So that's pretty much what we see escaping from the top, is that decomposition reaction where the carbonic acid decomposes into CO2 in the form of bubbles and water pouring out of the top. So I think that was definitely a success here. And yeah, I think we got the desired effect, and we're able to examine the components of the reactions at hand. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.